Finally, after a long wait, I found something that is made in India, made for India, and that's the Micromax in Note 1. Let me tell you, the price to spec ratio is absolutely on point. But does that really explains the comeback of Micromax? Well, that's what we are gonna find in this video. But before that, let's start with the drill. Sit back, relax, buckle up, and enjoy the intro.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you.
Hey, hope you enjoyed the intro. Well, if you did, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. The moment I unboxed the device and I took it in my hand, just have a look at it. The build of the device is absolutely plastic. You are nothing going to see some sort of a revolutionary, glass build or metal build at a price tag of rupees 11,000. The body gets a fresh and glossy design, and you can see a formation of X here and there when you throw some lights. It does have a headphone jack though, and you get a triple slot dedicated storage expansion as well. There is a dedicated Google Assistant button on this device, and that's a pretty nice touch. Well, have a look at the build, and that what I would say is the most underrated part of this device. It feels like the whole flat display would disintegrate from the frame in an instant. Weight distribution is absolutely okay with that measure of 195 grams, but due to that 5000 milliamp hour battery, the device feel pretty hefty in your hand. And yeah, you heard me right, it's a pretty big phone. Let's talk about the display. The display is a 6.6 inch full HD plus IPS display with a punch hole cutout. Display is pretty bright, sunlight legibility is also good. You talk about colors, it's pretty punchy, very good display to enjoy content on YouTube, but sadly you get a Widevine L3 support, and also there is no HDR support either. So you are stuck with 480p quality whenever you watch some videos or movies on Prime Video and Netflix as well. Well, I have seen many YouTubers and users tweeting about this device. They are facing some quality control issues and a lot of things, which is related to quality control. Also, you need to know this. The display doesn't have any Corning Gorilla Glass support either. That's very, very bad. Really, really bad. And Micromax need to work on this. So enough about hardware. Let's talk about the software. Micromax claims it has a stock Android experience. Mostly yes, it is. But Micromax have customized and added some features. The best part is there is no ads and no bloatwares either. Kudos to Micromax for this. It comes with Android 10 out of the box. Also, there is a DuraSpeed feature, that is a sort of a boost feature that will help you in boosting your performance of games and other graphic related applications as well. It does have a physical fingerprint scanner in the back, and it is pretty accurate. Apart from that, face unlock is also something that you would get as a security option too. Now let's have a look at the specs about which I was talking in the starting of the video. The device is supported by MediaTek Helio G85, a 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. Wait, the RAM is nothing fast. It is just an LPDDR4, not even LPDDR4X. And also the storage is an eMMC storage, and it is also not an UFS 2 or 2.1. At least Micromax should have given a UFS 2.0 based storage solution. Well, that would have made the device much more snappier and easier to use it. But it's fine. What can we more expect at a price at a price of 11,000? We will give our full review on the performance of this device and other aspects as well, so make sure you turn on the notification bell as well. Coming to the camera department, it has a 48 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth. Here I feel like the main camera does a pretty good job when there is an ample amount of light. Also the wide angle does perform good, but detail and sharpness level is not that good. But yeah, talking about colors and white balance, it's absolutely on point. Talking about low light, the initial impressions seems to be like the photos are not that much detailed and exposure compensation is not that good. But yeah, let's wait for some OT updates, and we'll give you more footages and more photos also in our full review as well. In the video part of the device gets just a 1080p 30 fps support and nothing more. There is no stabilization either, no EIS or OIS. At least Micromax should have provided software based EIS at least on the main camera. Well, that would have been a killer choice. Let's have a look at the front. It has a 16 megapixel shooter. Well, here are some photos and I think it does a decent job, but what more can you expect from a smartphone at this price range? Coming to battery, the battery is a 5000 milliamp hour mammoth battery at this price range. Also, you get an 18-watt fast charger in the box. And in our full review, we'll let you know guys about the SOT and the battery performance as well. So wait for that. Coming to pricing, the device we have, it is a 4 GB RAM and coupled with 64 GB storage, which is priced at 10,999. And also this have another variant as well, which is priced at 12,499, which has a 128 GB of storage. But I feel you should go with this variant, the 4 GB 64 GB variant, because you also get a dedicated storage expansion as well. So yeah, this would be the good choice to go with. Well, if you ask about my thoughts on this device, I would say this is a pretty good device at the price point Micromax has launched it. But you know what, I'm waiting for some OT updates as well. Already Micromax has tweeted that they have pushed some OT updates, but it hasn't arrived on our unit as well. So I'm waiting for the OT update. Once the OT updates come, we'll give the full review on this device within the month of December as well. But you know what, Micromax needs to work on two important things and the device will absolutely rock. And the two important things are the quality control of the device, and also there are a lot of software bugs that Micromax needs to do that. So yeah, let's hope the device will get mature day by day. The company will get mature day by day, and yeah, let's hope for the best. So yeah, let us know which feature you want that we should cover in our full review, and apart from that, what we are gonna do is feature your comment on our review. So make sure you should comment your doubts or questions or any feature regarding the device in the comment section. If you're anyhow enjoying the full video, make sure you smash that like button and join the TD army by hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Why I still fall back to you?